What up? Welcome to No Inches DIY. It's another cook-up video. Today we're just going to smash these tatties in for a boil. We're having a barbecue tonight, so we need some potato salad. Alright? Now I would make grits, but I don't know what they are. So potato salad it is. Just going to quarter up these tatties, give them a quick boil. Something like that there, big enough, good enough. Skin on, of course. That's where all the flavour is, don't want to waste that. Couldn't find the lid. Now I just went down to Chuck's Tenders in Gosnells, got a kilo of his famous bacon. Is that enough? That's too much. I'll go half of this, but I'll go the fatty half. I'm going to cube this up wicked ways. I'll just put this on top here for a while. Just let it warm up. Hopefully I'll get that fat out. Some nice juices there to fry up with. I might put a goodly amount of pepper in this at this stage. The bacon should be salty enough. Now I'm going to use capsicum. I'm going to keep those seeds. They can be planted in my garden this winter. And this is going to be a pretty warm salad. Well, most of the ingredients in there will be cooked. Put that in the colander first. Give it a little bit of a rinse. I'll top and tail a heap of beans. That's probably enough beans. Now let's put some spinach in. Maybe more. Probably go about half a bunch. Now this is proper spinach. And my pet hates is when people confuse silver beet and spinach. Please don't do that. You lose a lot of credibility when you do that. Alright, now that is going to get a good wash. These other ingredients are going to go back in the fridge. Might get my phone and wallet out of the fridge. Now I went to buy some Kewpie mayonnaise down at Gosnells Central today and I couldn't find it, but I did get this Arab mayonnaise called Young's Garlic Mayo Sauce. I'll give that a try. It could be horrendous, but you know, you've got to give things a go. Just join me over here. I'll just note these tatties are still hard. The moment I can stab them through with a fork, they'll be ready. So I'll give them a few more minutes. Gonna get this bacon frying. That tastes beautiful. I'll give that a... Bacon's frying off their lovely ways. Just spread it a bit more. Tatties are boiling away nicely there. Beautiful bacon from Chuck's Tender Meats in Gosnells. Alright. I'll just give that one more minute, then I'll start adding the other ingredients to it. That looks like it's given up a lot of lovely flavours already. Alright, now I'm just going to fry these capsicums off in there. Capsicums, or as our American friends might call them, bell peppers. Alright, probably give that a minute or two. I'm impatient, so I'm just going to put a lid on that. Give it a bit of encouragement. I'll just check these tatties. Oh, that one broke. They could use just a few minutes. You don't want them too crunchy in a potato salad. Now while they're cooking away, I'm just going to portion these beans up a bit better. I will just cut them into strips, about 25mm, 30mm long. Might just give those a wash. Now obviously I'll give that a move around. What I'm going to do now is just get my spinach out of the colander so it can dry off, and then I'll tip my potatoes in, dry them off. But when I lived in Japan, I was making potato salad once, and I put the right amount of mayonnaise that I thought in, and no, they put about 10 times that amount in. I'm not going to put a ridiculous amount in, just enough to get it all lovely ways. Alright, so my spinach goes in, and while I'm here, I'll just give this Arab mayonnaise a little taste. Smells alright. That's pretty good. Happy with that. What I'm going to do is put my veggies in here. Right, give that a good old stir. Now I'll put a goodly generous amount of our Arab mayonnaise in there. Let's have a little stir. It's still, oh yeah. Okay, I think we're onto something here. Now that'll just go into the fridge, obviously covered with cling film. Let those sauces solidify. It will get one more stir before it gets served at the barbecue tonight. And that is what I'll describe as a Goodly Ways potato salad. The tatey salad's been in the fridge for a few hours to marinate. Just gonna give it a stir up. Oh yeah, all the mayonnaise is thickened up. Nice sauce. Alright, that can serve it. Get some out of the garden, some chives. Slice that in. A few long bits there. Alright, give that one last stir. Alright, I'll taste this little bit of tatey here, see if it's Goodly Ways. Perfect. I've got some marinated steaks, some mystery balls, and some chops. It's time to cook the barbie and please the guests.